Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger and today I'm here at the Polynesian Resort at Walt Disney World. And right behind me is Boutiki. That's the Polynesian Resort's gift shop right there. And I'm going to be checking out Halloween merch along with the classic Tiki and Polynesian Resort themed gifts like ears, t-shirts, dresses, and my favorite, Tommy Bahama. So come with me and let's go check out Boutiki. Hey everyone, welcome to Boutiki. And the first thing that caught my eye walking in here was these Dole Whip ceramic whatchamacallits. Yes, I asked the employees here what these things were, and they didn't know. I thought it might be a sugar dish, and that might be the spoon, but I'm not sure. If you happen to know what this might be, please leave a comment in the description below. One thing I did find out, these things are $29.99. Also, you can't leave the Polynesian Resort without getting a Polynesian mug for your cocktails. $22.99. Ooga ooga. Let's start this off with a t-shirt. Birds of a feather sing together. So this must be the Enchanted Tiki Room. This is $39.99. Here we have a Tiki bird dress for $54.99. Here we have a kid polo shirt, Enchanted Tiki Room, for $49.99. Let's check out some Halloween merch. I'm going to start here with something basic. Lighting for 20 bucks, because I just asked. It's a light up Mickey head pumpkin and some candy. Wear this around your neck during the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Welcome to Halloween night. Wicked spooky pillow. This pillow is $44.99. These Mickey jack-o'-lantern heads are $24.99. Kind of like two-finger mugs. I love this Mickey tie-dye. It looks very spooktacular. $59.99. Love this button down. Here's also a tie-dye hat with the bat on front. $29.99. And another Mickey jack-o'-lantern. These hats are $29.99. Really cute, and I believe they probably glow in the dark. Here we have Mickey and Friends, a sweatshirt. Donald, Goofy, Mickey, Pluto, some jack-o'-lanterns. Really cute. And I believe these are candy dishes for Halloween. These ceramic Mickey heads. $39.99, these jack-o'-lantern Mickey heads. Over here we have a Spirit jersey. That's pretty cool to wear in the parks for Mickey's Not So Scary. Walt Disney World, look at that. That is really cool. Here we have two sets of Mickey ears. This Mickey has fuzzy ears. And over here, this is what I like to call the 3 pair of Mickey ears. So all together is 1, 2, and 3. Really cool for Halloween. Well, we have some Mickey Loungefly jack-o'-lanterns. Look at that. That is really cool. For $88. Then you have a jack-o'-lantern and a gravestone inside. These are really cool Loungeflies for Halloween. These are also $88. For $39.99, we have this Mickey backpack. We have this really cool, it looks like a kid's t-shirt, My Spooky Place, Walt Disney World. That's my spooky place. $34.99. Now, if you've heard of this character called Duffy, I heard it was first introduced in Asia. One of Duffy's friends, Duffy's a bear, a stuffed bear character. One of his friends is Ulumel, and he's a turtle. And he has his own Loungefly. That's Ulumel. These Loungeflies are 88 bucks. Let's check out what Ulumel has inside. Vacation photos, maybe some Polaroids, and Ulumel. Here we have Ulumel crashing some waves. Maybe he's good friends with Crush, our favorite turtle here at Disney. These are all the Duffy characters here. Ulumel, and there's Duffy and his girlfriend, and the rabbit friend, and the cat friend. And they are all celebrating Ohana. Here is a Halloween trick-or-treat basket made of plastic, hard plastic. And it's a Mickey jack-o'-lantern. and these are $24.99. Now let's go check out some more Polynesian clothing. Here's a classic looking 60s style Aloha Polynesian Village Resort t-shirt, ring neck, for $34.99. And we have a Dole Whip Polynesian Resort t-shirt for $29.99. That's simple, classic, really cool t-shirt. This Paradise Waits for You Polynesian Resort t-shirt is $34.99. And we have a Polynesian Resort bathrobe, very thick, very comfortable feeling, fleece inside. This is $99.99. Hey, you guys want a Tiki lamp? For $299, you can have yourself your very own Tiki lamp. Some Polynesian ears I see right over here. These are very cool, very classic looking, retro 60s. These are pretty cool. And let's go check out some of my favorite things. Tommy Bahama shirts. This is what I like checking out, Tommy Bahama. Look at this silk shirt with a Polynesian style to it. I like this. This is really nice. It feels soft. It feels very comfortable. $158. Right next to it is a blue Tommy Bahama. You can kind of see tropical flowers and plants in the texture of the shirt. And here's a red version of the same shirt. Really cool. For $138. This tropical Tommy Bahama shirt. Very classic look. $128. And I love linen shirts, and this really stands out in my eye. Because you got the Mickey on the inside. So when you look at it from the back, it's kind of like bleeding through. I like that. It's this nice faded Mickey Mouse look. This is a really cool shirt. It is long sleeve. Protect you from the sun. And it'll also keep you cool because it is made of linen. This Tommy Bahama shirt is $128. Very nice print. And here's a Mickey Mouse character Tommy Bahama shirt. $135. Minnie doing the hula dance. Mickey playing guitar. We have a Moana t-shirt for $39. And this Polynesian style bucket hat is $34.99. This is just a Disney shirt, button down. It's not a Tommy Bahama, but it has that classic 1960s style Polynesian look to it. For $59.99. This Polynesian t-shirt, very soft, very thick. Nothing on the back, and it runs $39.99. With a little pocket here. Here's a hoodie, a woman's hoodie for $49.99. Very Polynesian flavor to it with the drawstrings. This is really cool. I kind of like this. I can see Disney wearing this, or T-Stranger. $49.99. This Moana t-shirt is $39.99. Life is full of adventure. Adventureland. This is a really cool, very soft, oversized t-shirt for $39.99. Right next to it is a button down, the Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. $59.99. And here we have Mickey Mouse ears for the Enchanted Tiki Room with Dole Whip in the center. How cute is that? Look at the little Dole Whip in the middle. That's really cool. Right above that is one of the parrots from the Tiki Room. And maybe a 4-finger mug. That's pretty solid. I like this. $24.99. Thanks again, everyone, for joining me here at Boutiki. I really appreciate you guys coming by and shopping with me. But before we go, there's one thing I have to say. And that is, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.